Okay, go, Leia. Go outside to the snow. Go, 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 go. Ah, it's snowing, Leia! Woo! Alright guys, in our backyard right now, and I thought it was raining, but it's freaking snowing heavy right now. Check this out. I can tell you that it's snowing. Oh, you can even see the snow, guys. My hands are not getting wet from water or rain. It's literally snow dropping on my hands. Dang! I cannot believe this is happening in Vegas right now. This is something we won't get in California. It's snowing in the backyard. What's up, Ma fam? I can't believe it's snowing in Vegas right now. We're in the middle of tiling our fireplace. We got the fireplace going right now, and it's looking really, really good. And you know what? I decided to hire a tile guy, and he is outside cutting tile in the snow. I must say, it was definitely worth it hiring someone else to do the tile, especially today. He actually said that even though it's snowing in our backyard right now, if you're on the strip, it's probably raining. It's not snowing there. So that's pretty cool. I don't think I ever want to move ever again. A lot of people are like, I can't move to Vegas. It's too hot. I can't take it. And right now, it's freaking snowing. Like, it's not hot all year round, guys. We're just talking about the summertime. Right now, it's cold. I mean, it's not even like cabin cold or in the mountains cold, because I can be outside with just maybe a shirt for a little bit and I won't be freezing. It's what?
Nike.
Nike.
What is mine?
Adidas.
There we go. All right.
So
Duck boots time.
good. You can tell it's legit snowing when the snow is floating and they're big snowflakes. Hey Enzo, put your hand out. Catch the snow. Can you catch it?
Get it, get it, get it. Just get all of it.
Come back this way. The snow's this way.
You want to grab it and take it to sister? Oh, it's cold. Nope, nothing. Oh, I got one.
It's all over him though.
I know.
Look, come over here, Enzo. Come here. Look at all the snow along the edge of the wall.
Look right there, dude.
You think we can grab it? Oh, it's so soft. Look at that.
Because it's fresh.
Look how soft it is, Enzo.
Here, you want
Look, here, it's a snowball.
Oh, what the heck? I've never felt it this soft before. What? Here, you want to throw it at Daddy? Throw it at him. Get him.
Ouch.
Oh, right on the face. It wasn't. Okay, come here, Ansel. Hold on. Let me get it for you. Okay, ready? Go get him. Get that. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, that was a hard one. Get him. Snowball fight. Ooh, it's cold. I was really nervous about driving in the snow because the only time I've driven in the snow is like when it's already been snowing for a while, where you need chains on your tires because the road is all slippery. But I think because it just barely started snowing, so the roads are still okay. The only difference I would say is that it's just a little windier, so when you're driving you can feel it, and when you're on the freeway you see the snow like going with the wind. It's blowing over, which is crazy. But other than that, like, it's almost similar to driving in the rain, and I would probably say it's not as scary as driving in the rain, honestly, because the snow is so light it doesn't block your vision too much. But I can't believe it's snowing out here, and we actually get to experience full on snow, not like last time where it was just like a few drops, and we got really excited. We're sitting in the car waiting for food, and it's so windy now. I could even feel the car shaking.
I'm ready for the snow! I'm ready for the snow! I need my gloves.
Leia, look at your window.
What the heck?
Look at that. Your window has snow and ice on it.
What?
Is that crazy?
Yeah! Let me see snow all over!
Okay. Oh my gosh.
I need a hat.
I gotta tell you, Leia made me pretty excited to go play in snow right now. Christina just brought home lunch. I ain't eating it, man. I'm gonna go play in some snow. Are we eating lunch or are we playing in snow?
Playing with snow.
Are we eating lunch or playing in snow?
Playing in snow.
Are we eating lunch or playing in snow?
Eating. I'm just kidding.
There is snow getting stuck on the sliding door. And so look at your pool toy, your water toy. That's supposed to be for when it's hot and it's covered in snow, buddy. Let's see what's, oh my goodness, it's so hard.
But that has snow on it.
Yeah, that's Ryu's dog food with snow everywhere. Look, it says Ryu and all the snow's on it. Oh my gosh, look at your dry erase board, your painting boards. Leia, there's snow all over your painting board. Okay, go Leia. Go outside to the snow. Go, 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 go. Ah, it's snowing, Leia! Woo!
Oh, there's snow over here.
That's a lot of snow, yeah. Enzo, you can build a snowman if you want. Don't take it all, okay? Watch out, there's some dirt in there. You just get the top. Yeah, buddy. What are you gonna do with it, Enzo? Make it into a ball?
I don't know how to make a snowman.
You make into 3 balls, a small one, a medium, and a big one. All right, the snow is already starting to stop, but let me show you how it's been. My patio boards, they're frosted for sure. I've never seen this much snow on the ground before. What are you gonna do with it? You know what I mean? Go!
I made a snowball.
Where do you want to go, Leia?
Let's go back in the garage.
In the garage?
Yes.
Is it?
It's slowing down.
All right, so it's really cold. Leia's got some boogers coming down her nose. I got boogers coming down my nose. We're literally out here for about less than 5 minutes, and we played with all the snow that we got. There's no more snow to play with. The kids used it all up. So let's see what we can do in the garage. All right, getting to the second location of where we can find more snow. Snow on mommy's car. The reason why we left the cars outside is because we used both of the cars earlier and they're both wet, and I didn't want the tires to come in and have water stains because this is a newly painted garage floor, so I gotta scrub it to make it look nice, but you can see the water stains already. So I'm trying to minimize anytime it rains or snows to park in the garage. They're pretty much cleaning it for you.
Yeah. Oh.
Who do you love?
You.
Me? I can't believe how white the floor is in front of our house. I don't even want to step on it. I don't want it to melt away. Whoa, my goodness. This is beautiful, Leia. It's like we're in the cabins, huh? Are we in the mountains? Is it Lake Arrowhead or Big Bear? I think everyone is just absorbing in this snow. It's cold. You can't even see the hot breath. Do you have hot breath?
No, it's too crazy.
All right, we are getting to the last resorts of the snow. This is all we got left. Snow on top of the truck, but it's making them really, really happy.
I'll take the hit. I'm staying right here in case they fly off.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting pretty hungry from all the snow play. Are you throwing snow at me? Oh, be careful, Enzo. It's slippery.
You ready?
Okay, you guys ready to go back inside?
No.
No? Why?
Go
So you can keep throwing snow at me? The snow has dried up and it's sunny. It's literally been an hour since it last snowed. So we still got some snow along the edge of the walls. but everything else has pretty much completely melted. There's still some snow on the panels that you can see right there. It's probably hard now. Oh, it's not. Still pretty good, nice fresh snow. Let's get it off here. They don't want to ruin our board. This is how our tile has been looking so far for the fireplace, and I'm fairly happy with the way it looks. I think it looks great. I mean, I don't really like the grout lines. I wish we could have a full slab, but you know, I was trying to put these tiles on myself at first, and if we got a full slab, there's no way I would have been able to do that without help. And then after weeks and weeks of procrastinating, I was like, you know what, I think I should pay someone to do the tiles, and thank goodness I got someone to do it because this looks beautiful. What we got left going on is we have one more day of work. Once this is all dried to the wall, then we're gonna put some white grout in here, and you won't see these black lines anymore. So it's looking pretty good. Here on the sides, we still gotta do the top, and I believe the other side still has cement boards. But look at that shine. Looks really good. We're also gonna mount our TV here. We got like a 70-inch TV, and I put some tape, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of tape. So that's where I know I'm gonna put the mount, because there's gonna be some wooden studs or beams behind that blue tape. So I wanna make sure that we drill where that is, because once we drill, you don't wanna mess up the tile. You know what I'm saying? And this guy's gonna help us mount the TV, which is great. The other thing that I really love about the fireplace is around the actual fireplace, there's this black sluter, okay? And it makes it look super clean to where the tile is straight, this bracket is straight. You can see that from the side as well. So, for example, on the corners, they have a silver extruder, okay? And this is to keep the tile straight. And so there'll be tile here and tile on this side, and they use that metal silver to support it. So around the fireplace, it's all black. Pretty dope. I like how we mix it up a bit, and it's looking pretty good. We were going for the modern luxury look, and I think if I take a step back, it does get that. Oh, that's really nice. So I can't wait to show you guys the end results once the grout's in and what it looks like in our room, complete with furniture. It's gonna be pretty dope. All right, so when Christina was traveling to California, me and the kids were making Valentine's cards for Christina, and it's supposed to be a surprise. Leia, come here. Want to give mommy her surprise?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go give it to her.
What is it?
What do you say? What do you say, Leia?
Wow.
That's just the answer.
I love you to the moon and back. Oh my goodness, what is that? Is that a planet? You drew the solar system?
So this is Enzo's card. That's what he did for you.
It looks like the solar system.
He was just scribbling.
I see the galaxy. I see the little stars in there. That
Good
looks like
job,
Saturn.
Enzo. Okay.
I
Let
love
me show everybody your card that you did.
that was Earth.
Look how beautiful it has. Even the words have different colors. Can you
The
see
letters.
that?
Yeah, love is magical. It says Happy Valentine's Day.
No, that's a D. It's day.
I thought she was calling me. Are you calling me Bae? Thank you guys. I love it.
You see what she drew?
Whoa, is that a rainbow?
Yeah.
That's you and me? Why do I look so crazy?
No, Enzo.
That's Enzo?
Yeah.
And who's that?
Me.
That's you and Enzo?
Yeah, with Mickey Mouse air.
What'd you say?
With Minnie Mouse ears.
So where's the Minnie Mouse ears?
It's the 2 circles over her head.
Oh, got it.
Thanks, guys.
Don't you
I
feel bad.
love
I
it.
was faking being
I
very
love it.
It's just more crazy.
Can you say Happy Valentine's Day to Mommy?
Happy
Give her a
Valentine's
kiss.
Day.
Give her a kiss. Say Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
Happy Valentine's Day.
we are now enjoying a Valentine's dinner with the family. It's like a Valentine's Day night, but with the kids. And the kids are asking for a phone. And we said, no, today we're celebrating our love for everybody. And we're gonna enjoy this nice dinner. I forgot to show you guys what it looked like before we started picking at it, but this is what we got. So we got a flash fried broccoli with ponzu, which is really, really good. It's got some fried onions or fried wonton pieces, mixed and pearl for the kids. This is probably one of my favorites, which is a yellowtail with a fried serrano pepper and some ponzu and oil. Really, really delicious, good flavor. Oh yeah, where are we gonna put that?
Here?
Sure.
Alright. Had the Cajun albacore, had the tuna maguro, yellowtail, and salmon.
Looks great.
Alright, enjoy.
Thank you. Can we get some sushi rice?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
What is this?
Salmon.
Yeah, I want that salmon.
You want the salmon? Hold on, hold up. That's a big piece. Hold on. You're gonna drop that with the chopstick. Thank you for trying. I will help you get this. Mmm.
Ooh, that looks good.
I think we need a bigger table. What are you eating?
A spider roll.
How is it?
So far, so good. It's so like humongous. I don't know how to eat it.
And so if you guys don't know what spider roll is, it's a fried soft shell crab in a hand roll. That is something that we've been into for lately. It's just so, so good. Look at this girl. What you eating?
Salmon.
Salmon. Wow. You rich. Whoa, she just shoved the whole thing in her mouth.
That's my girl.
Wow, Leia. How are you enjoying date night?
Good. It's good. The food was really good too. We went from not knowing what to order to ordering too much.
You look like you're having a really good time on a date right now.
They're rowdy, but they're also being really good at the same time. So I'm like, oh. Now get out.
We got dessert and the kids can't. Hey, are you done eating?
He's done eating.
Okay. These guys have been staring at the dessert for the longest time. What kind of cheesecake is it? Strawberry cheesecake?
Yes.
Wow.
I feel full already.
So no dessert? Because you're too full? Oh, you still want dessert? So you're not that full? How about you finish your food? You just want to eat that?
All right. Go ahead. Yeah, it's almost like strawberry cheesecake ice cream.
All right, just got home and our fireplace is looking pretty sick. It's cleaned up. I want to show you guys what it looks like. There is no grout lines just yet. So when you see the black lines, you'll be like, ew, that's ugly. But once you fill it in with a white grout, it'll look amazing, which will be done in a couple of days. But for right now, let me show you where it's at. Let me back up a little bit. Ready? Bam! Look at this beauty. I love it. I love how clean this 80-inch fireplace looks. I love how glossy and shiny. I love the gray designs in it. It's just overall really, really nice. Good job. That was a good pick, guys. This is what the sides look like. Looking pretty clean as well. And let's check out the other side. Looking pretty clean. Yep, I like it. So we'll show you guys what it'll look like the next time. But also in the next video, we're gonna do a how to build your fireplace, because I did do all the framing myself, the cement boarding that you guys didn't see in this video. So you'll see it. Looks really good. I love the space. Yes.
Football.
The soccer ball?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with it?
Kick every time. Get it.
Okay, but you can't kick it at the fireplace, okay? Whatever you do, it can't hit the fireplace. Oh, it already hit the fireplace, Leia. I thought you said you weren't gonna do that. Oh! You can't use your hands. Good job, guys. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. The snow was insane. It was a once-in-a-lifetime thing, and I hope it happens more often because that makes me not want to ever move back to California. we kind of get the best of both worlds, where you get the snow, but it's not that cold because it melts really fast, which is great. I don't gotta shovel the driveway, heat up the cars or get snow off my roof. So it was an amazing experience. I love it. Till next time, guys, peace out. Oh, also, a lot of you guys don't get notifications even though you're subscribed to our channel. We upload every Tuesday and Thursday at 12 p.m. Pacific. Plus, we're putting out YouTube shorts every single day. So check them out, guys. Love ya. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say I love you.
I love you.
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy.